After 25 years, will NAFTA survive this week? Well, Mexico and the United States have announced a handshake free trade agreement. That happened on Monday, so really now the question is whether Canada and the U.S. can find common ground. President Trump telling reporters in the Oval Office that he would be notifying Congress of his intent to withdraw from the 25-year-old North American Free Trade Agreement, also known as NAFTA. Now, a group of Canadian negotiators have been meeting overtime with the U.S. Trade Representative, trying to find a way to remain part of a new agreement between its two closest trading partners. Now, as the U.S.-Chinese trade war escalates, shrapnel from retaliating tariffs wounding American farmers and ranchers, USDA projecting losses to the domestic ag industry at $12 billion, and announced plans now to offer some remediation. As part of a three-pronged package, Ag Secretary Sonny Perdue is offering $4.7 billion in short-term relief, with the majority going to soybean producers. Now, beginning on Tuesday, growers of cotton, corn, soybeans, sorghum, and wheat may apply for assistance based upon actual 2018 production. Soybean growers will be getting the most, eligible for 82.5 cents per harvested bushel. Sorghum second at 43 cents per harvested bushel. Wheat's at 7 cents a bushel, cotton 3 cents per pound, and corn at a half penny per bushel. And though corn farmers have questioned the Farm Service Agency's assessment of damage from tariffs, the FSA Administrator Richard Fordyce says there's a model run by the chief economist, takes into account multiple market factors, isolates the impact of the trade disruptions exclusively, and specifically said he thinks the model is sound and they do include and capture all the market changes, and that's why it is where it is. But despite tariffs on U.S. ag goods, China appears to still be buying American commodities. According to USDA's Foreign Ag Service, China, the top customer for U.S. cotton last week, buying 44,500 running bales. Now, the best customer for that cotton industry over the past few years has actually been Vietnam. They continued to stand in line for over 30,000 bales, though on a good pace to hit export projections. It was U.S. wheat that had the biggest week. Exporters selling 73% more wheat to global customers last week. Philippines, Japan, Mexico taking the bulk of the sales. And speaking of Mexico, we come full circle because with that new trade agreement, we're watching Mexico continue to stay in the market for U.S. corn, sorghum, beef, and pork. That other trading partner in the NAFTA deal, Canada, well, they remain buyers of American beef and pork. Next week's report, though, will not be out on Thursday. It's delayed till Friday due to the Labor Day holiday on Monday. And with another Ag News update, I'm Tony St. James.